Coming up next Tuesday, it is make sure I get this right, Teed Off at Cancer Golf Tournament, the third annual. Our friends from Delcor Heating and Air here in Greenville are the big sponsors of that. Keith Corder is here, and also Larry Osborne from Delcor. Good morning. How you guys doing?
Good morning, Henry. How you doing?
What's
Good, Henry.
happening?
Good
Nice
to
to see you. And Larry, you are the chair of
Co-chair for the Relay for Life of Pitt County.
the entire Relay for Life, which involves not just this event, but several other events. I know you just had the big event out at the South Central Track a couple weeks ago.
We did, very successful. Had a great turnout there.
Yeah. And we've talked about this before, but why are you involved with Relay for Life? Have you got any special connection to cancer in your family, or is it just something that you felt strongly you wanted to do?
Well, yeah, I think all of us have a connection to cancer. I've had it in my family, just like most people have. Just seemed like a logical thing to get attached to.
Yeah. This golf tournament has become one of the biggest and best in town. And does Keith spend any time working on this, you think?
Keith he's taken a lot of stress off of me this year. He really has. He's doing an excellent job.
Keith, this is a big golf tournament, and
Yes.
you got a morning and afternoon tee?
We do. We have a 8 a.m. flight and a 1 p.m. flight. We were trying to keep it simple this year and just go for 36 teams. And we just had 2 teams drop out, one because a health-related issue, and the other one, the company got a called meeting. So we have 2 spots open right now for the tournament.
All right, so this morning is about getting 2 folks out there in our audience motivated to get a team together and do this.
I mean, who doesn't want to play golf on a beautiful Tuesday afternoon?
And the weather's supposed to be good next week, too, which is good. Yeah,
Be plenty of food there.
I think you
guys-
might have just
one
jinxed
thing
it.
I will say, I didn't mean to jinx you. But one thing I'll say, of the golf tournaments around town, and there's a bunch of them, you guys have done a better job than I think just about anybody. There's food everywhere at your tournament.
Yes.
Yeah, the key,
Not that I need it, but
yeah, I think the key to that, though, is our sponsors. I mean, we really
Yes.
get a lot of support from the community here.
Yeah, we really do.
and you got an event for all the golfers on Monday night, right?
Yes, we do, at the City Hotel and Bistro. For the golfers, their spouses, friends, family, and it's open to the community, too. It's at the City Hotel and Bistro. We got Mark and Kelly from Jupiter Jones playing some live music. We got little Caroline. I can't remember Caroline's last name. She's 13 years old. She sings. She's going to come in and do a couple songs. And then we have the auction that's going to be going on. We got auction items like the 2 tickets that were donated, 2 season tickets for ECU football for next year.
Got some great items.
Got tons of great items, golf bags, memorabilia, lots of different community gifts. I was checking to see if Kimber Stone, who is with Riley's Army, she has been integral in putting that whole thing together for us. She's been hitting the streets and getting a lot of good items for people to come in and bid on.
So that's 5:30 Monday night, and that's part of the deal if you've got a golf team.
Yes.
Is that right?
Golfers get in free. It's $15 for anybody in the community to come in and have food and dinner/auction, live music, and fun.
At the Hilton.
At the City Hotel and Bistro.
City Hotel. Sorry. Okay,
Yeah.
right next door to the Hilton. All right, and Delcor is the title sponsor again. Larry, you not only do you put your effort and time into this, but you put your money where your mouth is in supporting this as well.
Right, and we've had a lot of good support. We've got some really good title sponsors this year. Bill Clark Homes has come on board. Train, for the 3rd year in a row, they've come on board as one of our title sponsors. Of course, WITN and American Standard.
That's right.
Good.
Yeah.
Very good.
And everything's raising money for Riley's Army and Relay for Life.
All right, very good. So it's next Tuesday now. How do you sign up?
For the golf, give us a call at Delcor, 321-8868, and they'll give you in the direction to get signed up for those final 2 teams. For the City Hotel and Bistro the night before, Monday night, the 28th, you can either show up or give us a call at that same number, 321-8868, and we can get you some tickets too.
All right, very good. And I want to ask you also, while I got you in here, Larry, you guys have opened a brand new store. Delcor has always been, you see the trucks all over town, Delcor, and we know that you're the heating and air and plumbing guys here in town, but you've just opened a new retail operation on Charles Boulevard. Mm-hmm. How's that going?
Very good. I think it's doing a little bit better than what we expected it to do.
Yes.
I think people are starting to realize it's there. It's just a retail showroom. People can come in, see plumbing products, see some energy efficient products for heating and cooling their home, indoor air quality products, things like that.
Water filtration products. If you want to come in and see what the city gives you straight from the tap versus what the water filter will do for you, that's an amazing sight. So if you want to come in, I'll give you 2 glasses of water.
They've already gotten all that by saying that. Tony Cannon, let me give you Kisa.
4, 2, 1. But we'll give you 2 glasses of water. We'll test them, and then we'll see which one you want to drink.
Okay, I got you. All right, good. Okay, anything else we need to cover? Golf tournament? Anything else?
No, just let's hope for some great weather next Tuesday. I understand
Your weather will be great.
You and Hank are going to play. So
the Interbanks media team. We have. He was just telling me about Coach Steele stacking his team.
Yes.
We've also stacked our team.
We'll start engraving the trophy when I get back to the office then, Henry.
Hank and I have stacked our team with David Kuhn, Wake Forest finest golfer, and Greenville's only Wake Forest fan, of Kuhn Holmes, and also I think Brack Massey is playing with us from Hardy and Hardy Attorneys.
That's right.
So we got a couple of our clients that'll be there, and maybe I should challenge Coach Steele to a little. Although I heard he's got Mike Cato from Bradford Creek, so maybe not.
Now, here's what I want to know. On one of our holes, there's going to be a shotgun that,
Oh, you got that again? I
ball.
love that. That's a cool thing.
So I want to see you shoot that gun and see if you can hit the green. It's hole number 6, I think.
Yeah. Last year you had it on number 1, I think. Didn't you?
We moved it this time.
Put it on a par 5.
So it's one of those things that shoots the golf ball.
Yeah.
And you get to shoot it, and of course it goes a lot further than you could ever hit it.
That's right.
And then you get that's your tee shot.
Yep.
That's kind of cool. You guys have a lot of good.
We got a hole-in-one for a car. So if you get a hole-in-one, Greenville Nissan's going to give you a car. We got closest to the pin. We got another $5,000 hole where if you get a hole-in-one, you split the $2,500. You get to take $2,500. 25 goes to the charity. We got a lot of fun things. So,
all right, great.
If you want to play in a golf tournament, this is the golf tournament to play in.
It's a fun one.
Yes.
And again, 2 teams left and 2 teams only. Next Tuesday, which is the 28th.
29th is the golf tournament.
29th. And the 28th is the event on Monday night at the
City
Hilton.
Hotel.
All right, good.